Welcome to the Booze Hospitality Podcast. We are in season 7, episode 12. And today I'm going to show you 7 simple ways to get more media attention for your business. Let's jump in and let's speak to Catherine.
The media, whether it's your local media or your national media, they are always interested in things to do with tourism. So you would be surprised how interesting you are. So it's just a matter of taking the right approach. So the first thing to do is to know your market and know your product. So have a think about where you fit into the scene. Those of us who've done a bit of work with Mark already have worked on our customer avatar. So if you've got your customer avatar, pull that out and have a look at that.
Photos, and more photos. If you could just spend a couple of minutes here, Catherine, just break down what this means and what advice you can pass.
Really, photos are the most important thing, because you need to entice, whether you've got a TV show coming out or as a serious newspaper article, the thing that is going to get you noticed is your photos. Make sure you've done the prep. If you can possibly get a professional photographer in, do it. It's really worth the investment.
Number 4, story angles and what we can sort of gather from this.
So there are a myriad of story ideas out there. What you have to do is have a think about not only where you want to be, but the kind of stories you would like.